The first item we're going to be using is our chocolate milk bottle. This is a Nesquik bottle and it has been completely emptied out and washed to make sure there is no chocolate milk in there. The next item we're going to use is borax, and borax is a detergent booster that can be found at your local Target, Walmart, or grocery store. We're also going to be using red and green food coloring to give the slime a brownish color that is going to make it look like chocolate milk, but with the addition of bright gold metallic paint. I got this one at Michael's. It was 79 cents, and actually it has a little bit of a shimmer, so it's going to make the chocolate milk look like there's a shimmer in it, which is going to be really cool and awesome to see. Last but not least, but probably most important, is our 4-ounce bottle of school glue. This is what's actually going to make the slime. So to get started, we're going to empty our entire bottle of school glue into a container. Next, we're going to add our bright gold paint, and I'm going to start by adding just 2 small drops and see how it goes from there. That was probably definitely more than 2 drops. Just mix it really well. As you can see, that's definitely not enough, so I'm going to add a lot more of the bright gold paint. The color comes out a little bit like caramel, so now we're going to add our red and green food coloring to make it a little bit darker. I am very satisfied with the color as it is now. It definitely looks like chocolate milk, but I have realized that my bottle of chocolate milk is actually 8 ounces, and this is only 4 ounces of glue. So what I'm going to do is add another 4-ounce glue bottle to this mixture, and also some more green and red food coloring until I get the color that I desire again. We're going to need some warm water, and to this water we're going to add 1 teaspoon of borax and just mix it really well. So here we have it, you guys. This is our chocolate milk slime. It's difficult to see, but it also has a shimmer on it, and that's due to our golden paint. But this is our chocolate slime. Now that we have our slime, we're going to take our bottle of Nesquik chocolate milk and we're going to shove it in there. So here we have it, our chocolate milk bottle slime. Well, there you have it. It's really fun to play with, you guys. It's awesome. It definitely looks like chocolate milk, the color of the slime. So I'm really happy how it came out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe at the bottom to my channel so you can receive notifications of when I post new DIY videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day and go make this awesome DIY slime project.